So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this faucet, and this is from Lowe's? Home Depot. It is the Marietta, and that's the 87601SRS. And we'll try and get that down in the documentation so you know what it is. Oh, it's right here. So what we'll do real quick is we're going to stand that up right there. Take this little sticker, and we're going to put it on the inside of the cabinet right here. That way, you ever need any parts, we know it's sitting right there. So there's the documentation right there inside the cabinet. The only thing we've done down here is taken the old supply lines off, which are these guys right here. The new faucet comes with its own supply line, as you can see. I'm sorry there's no light, lost my flashlight again. But that's in, weights installed, waters are tied in. We did tighten up the packing nuts on the hot and the cold water. Shut-off valves, they were dripping a little bit, so they're dry now. That's good. Came with a little soap dispenser, so that's installed. And the little container is installed down below, so to fill that up, you just pop this out, fill it up, stick it back in, and tested out the faucet. Mounted good, and it flows good, real good flow. And it's similar to what they had in here. This is about probably 15 years old, 13, 15 years old. So it's similar to the same kind of faucet, but you can see nice motion from side to side and then off. So everything up here is good. Outside of that, this installation is done.